one and all. My name is Aditi Suroshe. I am studying in 10th Standard State Board A. My multimedia presentation topic is Applied History. Welcome to my multimedia presentation. The points which we will be discussing in the presentation are: first, what is applied history? Second, applied history and research in various fields. Third, applied history and our present. Fourth, management of culture and natural heritage. Fifth, affiliated professional fields. First, what is applied history? Applied history is also known as public history. Applied history is a field of study concerned with the application of history for the benefit of people in the contemporary and future times. Knowledge of history is useful as it can provide guidance in finding solutions to contemporary social issues and incorporate them in the social planning. Tourism creates interest in history among people. Second, applied history and research in various fields. History is about the past events. The way our present lifestyle is shaped is depend on the historical chain of event. Historical events relate to various fields like politics, social and religious structure of a community, philosophy, technology and science, etc. Each of these fields have their own history of building knowledge. Hence, the method of history can prove to be of value in the research of various fields. For example, philosophy, science, technology, industry and commerce, management studies, arts, and humanities. First, philosophy. The history of philosophy helps in understanding the origin of various ideologies, the intellectual tradition giving rise to those ideologies, and their historical development. Philosophy needs language as a medium expression. In order to understand the philosophic expression, knowledge of the history of language prove useful. Science. The history of science helps in understanding the chronological order of scientific discoveries, invention, and theories. It can also help to understand the cause effect that lead to those discoveries and invention. It is said that need is mother of invention. Third, technology. The history of technology helps in understanding the changes and their causes in field of agriculture production, commodity production, architecture, engineering, etc. Scientific discoveries, invention and technology advancement are mutually dependent on each other. Fourth, industry and commerce. The field of mutual social transaction expand with the growth of industry and trade. It also promotes continuous development of the network of cultural interaction. It is an integral part of the industrial and commercial management. Fifth, management studies. In order to understand various factors involved in the chain of production, such as means of production, human resources, and process of production, as well as the chain of market and sales management, etc., it is essential to have a knowledge of similar functional system of the past. Sixth, arts. It is important to understand the development of various art forms with the help of their style of expression and their foundation in form of intellectual, emotional, cultural tradition. Seventh, humanities. Humanities include disciplines like history, archaeology, sociology, anthropology, political science, economic, etc. To understand the history of the origin and development of the discipline is an essential part of their learning. Our next topic is applied history and our present. Applied history is used in the study of culture and tradition of people in present as they are related to the past. Applied stress used in the study of ancestry of the people in society. Fourth, management of cultural and natural heritage. There are two types in management of cultural and natural heritage. A. Cultural heritage. In cultural heritage, there are two subtypes: tangible cultural heritage and intangible cultural heritage. And second is natural heritage. Cultural heritage. It is in the form of human creation. It is of two types: tangible and intangible. Tangible cultural heritage. This type of cultural heritage include ancient sites, buildings, aircraft, manuscripts, sculpture, paintings, etc. Second, intangible cultural heritage. This type of Cultural heritage includes the following: oral tradition and their language, traditional knowledge, styles of performing art, etc. B. Natural heritage. The concept of natural heritage important to the thought of biodiversity. It includes the following things: flora, fauna, ecology, and geomorphology character, which is crucial falls in staining the flora and fauna of a particular region. Our last topic is affiliated professional fields. Knowledge history can be supportive in the decision making with regard to respect, legal provision, and public policy in the following fields. First, museum and archives. Second, preservation and conservation of historical sites. Third, tourism and hospitality. Fourth, entertainment and mass media. Every field mentioned here requires expert personnel with specialized skill. For example, architects, engineers, historian, archaeologists, museum curator, sociologists, archive management professional, legal experts, skilled photographers, etc. Thank you.